It's that time of year again. It's a cool rainy day and there is nothing better than a classic comforting bowl of chicken noodle soup. I just love it. This is really good, guys. Let me show you how to do this. Okay, we're going to begin this recipe by melting down about 3 tablespoons of butter. Add in a couple of sliced carrots, a couple of stalks of celery that I've chopped up. Just gotta have those veggies to make it healthy. And we're gonna saute these up just to the point where the veggies get soft. I love my chicken noodle soup. While we're waiting for the veggies to tenderize, I'm gonna go ahead and mix up 2 tablespoons of flour and a cup of milk. Now our veggies are tender, I'm gonna add the milk mixture in. Give this a stir just to make sure there are no lumps. You can see it's starting to come together now. To that, I'm going to add 4 cups of chicken stock. Now I'm just going to grab up some chicken that I did up last night. And the great thing about this recipe is you can do it with leftover Thanksgiving turkey. Just about anything will do, or you can even buy it for that matter. Add this into our broth. Oh, this is going to be good. Season our soup up with some fresh thyme. About a teaspoon of dried parsley. You can use fresh if you like, it's just not in season here. Add in a generous amount of salt. And of course pepper. I just love pepper. You know, I wonder what life was like before pepper came on the scene. Yeah, we'll give this a stir. And just look at the color of this, guys. Isn't it absolutely spectacular? So we'll just go ahead and bring this to a soft boil. Now we've got a soft boil happening here. It's time for the noodles. So I'm going to add in a couple of cups of egg noodles. And you can be the boss of this. If you want it a little more noodly, add in more noodles. You know, whatever you like. And we're going to slip a lid on this and let it simmer away for about 10 minutes, just until the noodles are soft. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention at the beginning of the video, stick around to the end if you get a chance. There's a comment I really want to respond to. After about 10 minutes, the noodles are soft, and just look at this, guys. I'm going to add in half a cup of heavy cream, and that's where that wonderful creaminess comes from. And we'll just give this a stir. And just look at how wonderfully rich and creamy this is. And we're good to go. Chicken noodle soup. So creamy, rich, comforting. I just love it. And remember, you can always get this recipe over at cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool stuff over there. Become a member. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe and see you next time. One of our viewers, Daylene Alberts, made the comment that it's amazing how food can bring people from thousands of miles or kilometers away together and become friends. And I thought, you know, that is so true. You think of all our major events in our lives. You think of Thanksgiving, Christmas. What does it focus around? The family dinners, the food. And that's the type of community we want to create here at Cook and Share, is a community where people come together, share recipes, and just the joy of food and talk about it and become part of that environment, become part of that ecosystem. So again, I encourage you to join us here, subscribe, and become part of the Cook and Share community.